Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about front-end development. So what are the things which is required to become a front-end development, and what are the resources for learning front-end development, and I will also share how to set up environment for development inside your local computer. So watch this video. So the first thing we will discuss is what are the things which is required to become a front-end web developer. So the first one is HTML. HTML is basically used for structuring any website. Like you have seen all the text, all the paragraph, all the image which is created by using HTML. So HTML is a basic building block of any website. Second thing is CSS. CSS basically means cascade style sheet, which is used to design a website, right? And the third thing is JavaScript. JavaScript basically add the functionality to the website. So like if we click on any button, the website react differently according to our clicks. So all these things is done by using JavaScript. And the fourth thing is you also need to learn any front-end library. So there are three most popular front-end library. The first one is React, which is backed by Facebook. Second one is Angular, which is backed by Google. And third thing is Vue.js. You can choose any of them, but choose one. And let me tell you, React is very easy to learn. Angular is very tough for beginner to learn. And Vue.js, I don't know anything about Vue.js because I haven't done any project on Vue.js. So according to me, you can go with React if you are starting out. These were some technology which you need to learn to get started as a front-end developer. And you also need to learn many more things you will learn when you start, right? So starting out is very important. So start learning and you will learn, get to know more technology which are used on the front end, right? Now we have learned what are the things which is required to become a front-end web developer. Now what are the resources for learning all those technology? So right, we will discuss what are the resources which is freely available for learning. So the very popular website, that is W3 Schools, which is focused on making learning very easy for beginners. So if you want to learn HTML, then simply go to, so we are on our browser, simply search HTML W3 Schools and you will find this link. Click. Yeah, see, this is a tutorial for learning HTML which is on W3 Schools website. According to me, this is the best for learning HTML. See, watching video doesn't going to help you a lot. Try to practice because web development is a practical thing. So I will recommend, instead of watching video, you can learn from this small tutorial or this documentation, right? You will also find try it yourself section in which you will change the code and you will run and see what are the changes happened. This is basically like a playground in which you can do whatever you want with code. And second resources is for CSS. Again, go to this website and you will find CSS, and JavaScript is also, yeah. So W3 Schools provide all the technology which you need to learn as a front-end developer. So you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all these things you can learn from W3 Schools. Learning React, you can learn React from their official documentation. So we are inside the React official document. This is the React. So try to learn from documentation because documentation is very fast and it is updated. So you will not going to miss out anything. So try to learn from documentation. It will going to make you faster and faster when you are developing anything. Right, and you will also get updated with the new technology. These are the benefits of learning from documentation instead of videos. Yeah, so these are the resources which I think are best for learning as you are starting out. So now we will discuss what are the things which is required to set up front-end web development inside your local computer. There are only two things which you need to install. The first one is code editor. You can install any code editor. Like I am using VS Code, you can use any code editor. Inside that code editor, please install some extension for your each development. So the first one is HTML, CSS, and third is JavaScript. And you can also install extension for React also, because it will provide you some snippets which will make your development faster. The second most important thing is you need to install JavaScript, but JavaScript is designed for running inside a browser. It can't be run inside your local computer directly. So for that you need to install Node.js. So now we are inside the home page of Node.js website. So simple click on LTS. LTS means long-term support. Choose according to your platform. Like I am using Windows, so I will install this. You can install 64-bit window installer or C according to yourself, right? So download is very easy. You can check this website. So after downloading successfully, install like all the software that you have installed earlier, like JDK or Python package. This is very similar to that. So after installing, go to command prompt and write node version to check whether the node is installed successfully on your computer or not. Click enter. Yeah, see this shows version, which means we have successfully installed Node.js on our computer. Now you are ready to rock. These are the things which you need to remember when you are installing or making your local computer ready for front-end web development, right? Thanks.